Hi guys, welcome to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we're going to create a team members page using MetaBox and Oxygen. Here is my example. As you can see, this page contains name cards that include the company members' information, such as name, avatar, position, and contact links like Facebook, Instagram, mail. In fact, to do it you can use cloneable fields as we do in the tutorial, display images from cloneable fields. But, it'll be more complicated than if you have a post type. In this practice, we'll create a post type for team members and all information about each member will be saved in a single post. Name and image of the member are the title and featured image of the post. And other information such as position, Facebook, Instagram, and mail will be saved in different custom fields. I already installed MetaBox Core plugin to have a framework that allows you to create custom fields to input member information. It's free and available on WordPress.org. You can download it directly. Next up is MetaBox AIO, which is available when you have a license of Ultimate Plan or Lifetime Plan, or Developer Bundle. With it, you have all the MetaBox extensions for advanced features in one place as you see here. Make sure that you activate the wanted extensions by this tick. In this case, we need MB admin columns that allow displaying custom fields in table columns in admin screens for all posts. We also need MB custom post type to create custom post types. And MetaBox Builder has a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. The last one is Oxygen. You should use the 3.9 version or upper, which has the native integration with MetaBox. Let's start now. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type. After publishing, you'll see a new post type in the menu. Now, create custom fields as I want to save all the information of the members in different custom fields. First, choose Select for the position field. And fill in the choice box with several options like this. I only want to get the label of the field. So, just fill in the label for each option. In case you want to set both the value and label of options, just follow this guide. Pay attention here. If you want to display the custom fields values in the admin columns, tick this box. However, this is just an optional part. So if you want to have this part like this, you need MB admin columns. My column position is right after the name of the member, which is the title of the post. So, I set it after the title here. This position setting is required because if you don't set up the position for the column, it will not display. You can fill in other settings that you need. For the Facebook field, we set it as a URL field. There is nothing to say about them because they have no special settings. For the Instagram and mail fields, I'll do the same. That's all the custom fields for the information of the members. Next, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type and select Team Member to apply these fields to this post type. After publishing, you'll see the created custom fields when creating a new post in the Team Member post type. Just fill in the information and set the featured image for the post. Here are some example posts that I created and added the team member information. And you can see that the position of each team member is also shown here after the post title. Let's move on to the next steps. Now, I'll create a template with Oxygen. I choose the inactive default page to inherit its style. Next, create a new page for the team members. This is a blank page, and its template is the default. I want to assign the created template to this page, so choose this option. Let's edit the template. First, choose the page you want to see the preview of the previewing section. Select a section component to contain all of the team members' information and add a class for editing later easily. To get the title of the page automatically, add the heading component. Connect this component with the title of the page by clicking here and choosing Insert Data. Here, we'll see the options in the post section. Set it as title. So, you see the page's title is Meet the Team. To get the data from all the posts that we use for our team members, add a repeater component here. Then, go to Query to choose the source of data. Set it as Custom, and select Post Type. then find the ID of the created post type for our team members. You also can set the order for posts here. Then, there are many small boxes here, which is the number of posts that I have. If you keep it like this, you will see the preview of all the posts. But it will be messed up. To avoid that, in the preview render section, choose single mode to see the preview of a post only. In this tutorial, each name card of a member has two columns. One is to display the image and social icons, and another one is to show the member information. To divide the content into two columns, I will set two div tags, each one for each column. I'm creating the first div tag for the first column. Next, add the featured image component to have the avatar saved as the post's featured image. As you can see here, all social media have the same style. Thus, we'll create another div inside this for all the social networks so that we can style them quickly. Select the icon button component to create icons for the social network. The social links are also saved in custom fields. So to connect these icons to the data we need, go here and choose the MetaBox field. You'll see a list of all the fields created by MetaBox. Choose the corresponding field. For example, I'm creating an icon for the member's Facebook profile, so choose the Facebook field to get the link. In default, each icon button component includes both icon and text. Just remove the text. Then, style the icon. For the Instagram and mail icons, do likewise. Now, add a new div tag for the second column. To get the name of the members, it's the post title, so choose the title component. The position of each member is also saved in a custom field. It's just text, so I add a text component, then also connect it to the corresponding field, as we did with the social icons. Choose MetaBox field here, then choose the position field from the list. This field is select type with some options in the choices box, as you can see here. They may have only labels as I set, or include both value and label as normal. So there are two options here as well. Just choose one. Now, the position of the member automatically displays here. Finally, choose the content component to get a short introduction of the member. Now all the information about each member has been displayed. After saving the template, go back to the Meet the Team page. You can see all the information about the members. Let's style this page to make it more beautiful. Go back to the created template in the previous step to style this page. Choose each component and change the settings. In the Advanced tab, there are a lot of choices for styling. Now, I'm changing the alignment for the page's title. To adjust the alignment of the content, change the display in the layout setting. Besides, you can also change its size and spacing. Next, I'm adding the border for the name card and changing the width of the first column. Let's style the avatar. For the social media icons, just change this layout. Finally, I'll style for the second column. Further, if you want to change the font size of this content, you can edit each part like this. Now just enable the preview render section to the normal mode to see all the posts. And then, you'll see that all the name cards are stuck together. So I need to add some spacing between the boxes. Thus, go to the grid layout section and enable grid. If you want to change any settings, just change some things in the left sidebar. Oh, why is the title of the page still here? I set it to be in the center already. But Oxygen doesn't support that style. Let's try some CSS to change the placement of this text. Go to this menu to add a new style sheet. Then add this code. Thus, this text was in the middle of the page in the right way. Go to the page you created. Look, it shows beautifully. That's all for the tutorial today. If you want to try other methods, please watch our other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.